Hey, thanks for watching. We're doing another clear headlight restoration on this Toyota. That's KLEAR.us for more information or more videos, or if you want to buy the product on the internet or you need the service done in the San Antonio area. It's 210-334-7392. What we've done is we've hand sanded this with 3 quits of sandpaper. We tape it just for overspray purposes, and once we spray it, we're going to wand it. Let me show you what I mean. It only takes one passing, and it has a unidirectional nozzle. Once you've sprayed it, you wand it. You can also use the sunlight, the UV light that comes off of here, or coincides with a hardening agent that this product has, and it literally gets more clear and hard as I wand it over. Once it hardens, it's ready to deliver. You can take the tape off. It takes about 45 minutes to do a couple sets of lights. We've been doing this since 2005. We haven't had one customer come back. You can check our reviews. They're all 5 stars. You can give us a call for questions, or if you'd like to make an appointment. It takes about an hour of your time. Thanks for watching Clear.us.